Hey, alright you guys, Phil here again, and I've got a name called the Foam Guy. Popped in and saw Liam the other day, and one of his clients was there. He saw my videos and he says, "Oh, you're the Foam Guy." So that's obviously my new name. So back at the old Bert, and we're just playing around. So I've made progress with my vacuum bed. So what I've done is I've labelled each zone. I've got the hoses coming out the side, but I think they're going to hit over there, so I'm going to modify that and bring that down under it, but I'm just still playing at the moment. So 50mm feeders and 25mm sprues, and so I've got the foam on. So this is unskinned, just raw MDF, and Liam said that that should suck through that. So what I've got, probably brought the last one from Godfrey's. And you know, I'm slipping trying to slide that. Okay, so that there is still open, so I can put that on there, and that's now sucking really good. On this side here, so there's a little bit of slippage. It's still quite firm. Let's get the other puppy on. So there's not a lot surface holding that bit on, so you do need to have a little bit of surface area, but when I get a full sheet on here, that's going to stick like snot to a blanket. Okay, so we're making some progress. So vacuum bed sorted, and Ringy Hohepa's given me a hand. So I got that, and that reaches all the perimeters. So now I'll just run the experiment and just see what works. But you know, it's not till you start using these things that you realise what works and what doesn't. So I need to put some soft bends or something around there to make that a bit better. The angle only goes back sort of so far because I've just used an 8x2 block, but yeah, anyway, that's going to start to deal with some of the dust. So that's really my thing, is I just wanted to start, then I can make some stuff.